All right, today we're going to bring some teeth whitener kits, all right? And this is to make your teeth a little bit whiter. Now, they give you instructions, all right, and color coordinations, if you guys can see that. Now, this whole thing is going to take about 2 weeks to see any kind of results, all right? Now, they do give you strips in here. You could wear, you have to wear them to 30 to 45 minutes in order to start seeing results within 2 weeks. Now, they have a fast pen, all right? This is to actually boost your actual color. In case you have one tooth that's, lagging behind or maybe it's darker, you want to whiten it faster, this is a pen that you use. Now, they do give you instructions too, but 30 to 45 minutes, you wear them, you put them on your mouth, on your teeth, and that's pretty much it. Instructions are very simple. All right, let's open up the strip, all right? This is one pack, all right? All right, just open one pack, if you guys can see that. Lower piece would be for your lower mouth. The top is the top one, if you guys can see. They're almost like a mouthpiece, all right? They don't bend or anything. They're like strips. They're pretty much they're adhesive on your tooth. So this part right here, if you guys can see, this goes like right here on this part right here, all right? This part right here goes on this part right here. So the lower part of the actual strip is what goes either hiding, all right? So we're gonna set one of them up right now, and like I said, they're adhesive, so they should be easy to put together. There's one right there, and of course, you can talk normal, Now we're gonna put the other one. The lower one goes on the bottom teeth. Here you go. Now, the process is going to take about 30 to 45 minutes. Don't rush it. Be careful how you use it. Keep it away from reach of kids. Try not to swallow this thing. Make sure you toss it in the proper way. Nobody even notice you. If you're like going out, bars, parties, hang out with your friends, they're not going to notice this. Your speech will, but it doesn't hurt you. It doesn't feel different. It's just the strips are right there. The longer you want to hold them on, like I said, 30 to 45 minutes will be proper time overall. Very simple to use. Now, if you use it properly, there's instructions there that teach you how to use it. So there's no right or wrong. As long as they get on your teeth, this is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.